A new leak has provided a much clearer look at DJI's next vlogging camera. DJI's next Pocket gimbal camera may not arrive as soon as expected. New reports suggest the Osmo Pocket 4 has been delayed, pushing its launch into early 2026. Potentially, a cheaper alternative may debut alongside the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 II. That or the company's long-rumored camera could be a pro model. Include a main 1-inch variable aperture sensor, possibly the 50MP unit from the DJI Action 6, and a second 1/1.3-inch sensor optimized for vertical video. Expected upgrades include the capability to shoot video at up to 6K per 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second or even 240 frames per second. FCC documents confirm a larger battery with a rated capacity of 1,545 mAh, an 18% increase over the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh, which is expected to provide over 200 minutes of recording time. The design is rumored to feature a slightly larger, rotatable OLED touchscreen. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Initial price estimates for the base model are rumored to be in the $699 to $799 range. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.